If you live in Kentucky and you're thinking about protecting your retirement savings with physical gold, this video will walk you through exactly how a gold IRA works and what people in Kentucky should know before getting started. This is especially relevant if you're retired in Louisville, working in logistics, healthcare, or corporate offices, in Lexington, involved in auto manufacturing, university administration, or research, or in the coal fields of eastern Kentucky, working in energy, mining, or related industries. Kentucky has a very unique retirement landscape, and understanding how a gold IRA fits into your financial plan can make a real difference in protecting your nest egg from market volatility, inflation, and concerns about pension solvency. Before we go any further, I want to be completely clear. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not tax, legal, or financial advice. I've made every effort to present accurate information from reputable sources, but every individual's situation is different. You should always consult a qualified financial advisor, CPA, or attorney before making decisions about your retirement savings or investing in a gold IRA. As I was researching this topic, I leaned heavily on educational materials from firms that specialize specifically in gold IRAs, including Augusta Precious Metals. They focus a lot on investor education rather than hype, which is helpful when you're dealing with something as serious as retirement planning. I'll leave a link to their free educational guide in the description below if you want more details. Many Kentuckians are considering gold IRAs because retirement math in the state presents challenges that are often easy to overlook. According to 2025 data from SoFi and the Bureau of Economic Analysis, a single person retiring in Kentucky may need roughly $41,787 per year just to cover basic living expenses, and up to $47,272 per year for an average lifestyle. While this is lower than the cost of retirement in many coastal states, Social Security benefits in Kentucky average around $21,000 per year, leaving a significant gap for those who rely solely on government benefits. For retirees without substantial personal savings or strong pensions, this gap can create serious financial stress, leading many to look for strategies that preserve wealth and maintain purchasing power over the long term. Healthcare costs in Kentucky are a major factor as well. Retirees face some of the highest healthcare expenses in the region, averaging $9,463 per person per year. For someone retiring in Louisville or Lexington, this can mean higher premiums for Medicare supplemental insurance, prescription drugs, and specialist care. In the coal fields and rural areas of eastern Kentucky, additional travel costs to reach medical facilities add to this burden. These steadily rising healthcare costs can quietly erode a fixed income, making retirement planning increasingly complex. Pension solvency is another concern that drives interest in gold IRAs. The Kentucky Employees Retirement System, or CARES, particularly the Non-Hazardous Pension Fund, has historically been one of the worst-funded state pension plans in the country, with only about 29% funding in the pension-only category. While recent investment returns have improved projections, there remains a level of uncertainty that worries many state employees and teachers. This creates a strong incentive to diversify outside of traditional retirement plans, which is where a gold IRA can serve as a strategic hedge. Gold IRAs are federal retirement accounts, regulated by the IRS. Internal Revenue Code Section 408M defines which precious metals can be held, how accounts are structured, and how metals must be stored. These federal regulations apply uniformly across all states, including Kentucky, ensuring that your investment meets compliance standards. What makes Kentucky particularly interesting for gold IRAs is how state-specific benefits intersect with federal regulations to maximize your savings. Knowing both sets of rules, federal and state, can help you create a retirement strategy that is secure, tax-efficient, and tailored to your personal circumstances. Most Kentuckians who open a gold IRA do so by rolling over funds from existing retirement accounts rather than starting from scratch. For example, retirees in Louisville who spent decades at Ford's Louisville Assembly Plant, UPS Worldport, or in healthcare administration, often have 401ks or supplemental retirement accounts heavily concentrated in company stock or traditional investment funds. Rolling these assets into a gold IRA allows them to diversify their holdings away from a single company or industry, reducing exposure to volatility while preserving wealth. Teachers and public employees enrolled in CARES or SARES often roll over supplemental 401k or 457 accounts into a gold IRA, creating a hedge against market fluctuations and concerns over long-term pension reliability. Military retirees near Fort Knox or Fort Campbell frequently roll over thrift savings plan accounts into gold IRAs to diversify and protect their retirement savings from traditional market risks. Here's how buying a gold IRA works, step by step. The first step is opening a self-directed IRA with an IRS-approved non-bank custodian. These custodians specialize in alternative assets and ensure your account follows IRS regulations. The second step is funding your account, usually through a direct rollover or transfer from an existing 401k, 403b, 457 plan, or TSP. It's important to emphasize a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover to avoid the mandatory 20% IRS withholding tax and to keep the process smooth with any relevant tax authorities. The third step is selecting IRS-approved investment-grade metals. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 0.995, and silver must meet a minimum purity of 0.999. The final step is storage. The gold is owned by your IRA, not by you personally, and it must be stored in an IRS-approved third-party depository under the custody of your account. This ensures compliance with federal regulations, protects your investment from personal liability, and guarantees that your metals are properly secured. Kentucky offers unique advantages to retirees who hold a gold IRA. As of August 1, 2024, House Bill 8 exempted gold, silver, platinum, and palladium bullion from the state's 6% sales tax, with no minimum purchase requirement. Whether you purchase a single coin or fund an entire IRA, this exemption can save thousands of dollars up front. Additionally, Kentucky allows retirees to exclude the first $31,110 of retirement income per person, including IRA distributions, from state income tax. A new bill, HB 146, has been proposed to raise this to $41,110 starting in 2026, but as of 2025, the exclusion remains at $31,110. Military retirement pay is fully exempt from Kentucky income tax, making gold IRAs an attractive strategy for veterans looking to protect wealth and manage tax liability. Legislative efforts, such as SB 99 introduced in 2026, aim to recognize gold and silver as legal tender and exempt capital gains, though it has not yet been passed. Until then, capital gains on gold sold outside of an IRA remain taxable, further reinforcing the value of holding precious metals in a tax-deferred IRA. Gold IRAs are designed to complement existing retirement strategies rather than replace them. Retirees often hold physical gold alongside pensions, Social Security, and traditional investment accounts. Social Security cost of living adjustments typically lag behind actual inflation, and pension payments are usually fixed. Holding a portion of your retirement savings in physical gold can help offset the erosion of purchasing power and protect your assets over the long term. In Kentucky, gold provides a tangible way to safeguard wealth from market volatility, rising healthcare costs, and pension uncertainties, while remaining fully compliant with federal regulations. A gold IRA generally makes the most sense for those approaching retirement who want to protect what they've already built. This could include the Ford plant veteran focused on tangible assets, the CARES teacher hedging against potential pension shortfalls, or a military retiree rolling over their TSP into physical gold. It's about practical, common-sense planning, protecting your savings, reducing exposure to market risks, and taking advantage of Kentucky-specific tax benefits to preserve wealth throughout retirement. If you want to learn more, Augusta Precious Metals offers a free educational guide that explains how gold IRAs work, the potential risks and fees involved, and whether this strategy makes sense for your situation. The guide walks through the rollover process, storage requirements, and common mistakes to avoid, helping you decide whether this strategy fits into your broader retirement plan. There's no obligation, it's purely informational. You can click the link in the description box below this video to grab the free guide and learn more about protecting your retirement with physical gold.